We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT headshot prompt, making it easy for you to generate the perfect AI-generated headshot. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to the prompt creation section. You can find this by clicking on the New Chat button at the top of the page. Now, in the prompt creation area, you'll want to focus on crafting a detailed and specific prompt. Start by describing the kind of headshot you want. This could include the person's age, gender, and any specific features like hair color or style. You might want to mention the mood or expression, perhaps a smiling face or a more serious look. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. Next, think about the background. Should it be plain, or do you want something more dynamic like an office or outdoor setting? Write this down in the prompt too. Once you've got your description ready, enter it into the text box. Make sure to read it over to ensure there are no spelling or grammar errors, as these can affect the output quality. When you're happy with your prompt, hit the Generate button. The AI will process your request and in a few moments, present you with a headshot that matches your description. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can tweak your prompt and try again. Remember, the more specific you are, the better the AI will understand your request. Once you've got a headshot you like, you can download it directly to your device by clicking the Download button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.